Hey tech fans! GadInsider here with massive Apple news. The M5 iPad Pro's coming with iPadOS 26, and it's set to blow your mind with next-level features. Let's dive into this game changer. A new windowing system, live activities, and a beefy M5 chip. Could this iPad Pro finally be the ultimate device? Stick around to see why it's a market leader. Apple's M5 iPad Pro, rumored for a late 2025 release, is shaping up to be a beast, and iPadOS 26 is the key to unlocking its full power. For years, the iPad Pro's hardware has outpaced its software, but this update changes everything. According to leaks, iPadOS 26 brings a powerful windowing system, letting you multitask like never before with resizable floating windows. You'll also get background tasks and live activities for real-time updates, like tracking a delivery right on your home screen. The new menu bar makes navigation smoother, while Files app upgrades streamline your workflow. Plus, new audio recording tools are perfect for creators. Think podcasts or music production on the go. The M5 chip, expected to be 20% faster than the M4, powers it all, with up to 16 GB of RAM and a 12.9-inch mini LED display. This combo of cutting-edge hardware and software finally aligns the iPad Pro's potential, making it a laptop killer for students, pros, and creatives. It's poised to dominate the tablet market with unmatched performance. Why is this huge? The M5 iPad Pro isn't just a tablet, it's a powerhouse that rivals laptops. With iPadOS 26's slick features and the M5's raw speed, it's the ultimate tool for work, creativity, and play. Apple's closing the gap between iPad and MacBook, setting a new standard for tablets. Hype for the M5 iPad Pro? Drop your comment. What features got you excited? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.